Hello Model Layers, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be installing a trunk rack on a 1931 Model A coupe, who I think all of you probably know whose car this is by now, but I won't say. Anyway, so I'm going to show you what you need to install the rack if you have a rear mounted spare tire. I hope you enjoyed the video. So right here we have our trunk rack, which I refinished. It usually, when you buy these, it has like an orange colored wood that I don't like. I think the darker wood looks better with the Ford maroon and black of this car. So in order to install it, if you have a spare tire on the back, you need these special brackets that you can get from, I got these from Snyder's. And if you plan on putting a trunk on it and actually using the trunk, get the heavy duty brackets. They're a lot thicker and stronger for the job. And make sure you get the hardware kit as well. So the first thing you need to do in order to install these brackets is there's two bolts that hold them on. I have already loosened these, but you're going to take these off and they're going to be completely removed and replaced with bolts that the kit comes with. That are longer. Okay, so remove those. That was a little tight. Okay, there we go. Okay, with those removed, you're going to take the longer set of bolts that you get in the hardware kit, and they're going to go in. You're going to have to kind of push the bumper forward because there's a lot of tension on it. And then you're going to put your rack extenders on the bolts. Like that. And then you're going to put on the lock washers and the nuts. Okay, once you have the bolts in, make sure that they're nice and tight, because obviously you don't want this going anywhere. Like that tight is pretty good till it stops. Okay, and now we're going to move on to the other side. Okay, so the brackets I had, I put them on backwards. The curve is supposed to go out or else the trunk rack won't fit. But now you're going to put, there's a washer and then there's the lock nut and thing. The washer goes on this side of it. So you're just going to tighten this up. Make sure it's nice and tight because you don't want this going anywhere. Especially if you're going to be hauling a bunch of stuff in your trunk like I do. Okay, that's good. Now this side. Okay. Okay, I think that's pretty tight. And there you have it. That's how you install a luggage rack on a Model A that has a spare tire in the rear. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable, and I will see you in the next video.